There's a brand new AI tool called Pollo AI, and you can use it to paste in any product link and get a finished scroll-stopping ad in seconds. You can drop in an Amazon link, a Shopify link, an Etsy link, or an eBay link, and it's going to pull your product, read the benefits, and actually build the whole ad for you. No creators, no cameras, no editing, and no week of going back and forth or having to pay UGC creators. And you can even take a winning ad that you found and clone that exact structure around your product. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how it works. And then I'm gonna walk you through 5 use cases I would strongly suggest that you steal today. So let's dive right into it. So here's how easy this actually is. You're simply going to come over to Pollo AI right here. We're going to click on Marketing Studio, and you're going to be able to see that you could create video ads that sell and scale literally in seconds. And here's how simple this actually is. If we click on Agent right here and then click into this, you're going to be able to see that we could do URL to video ads, we could do photo to video ads, script to video ads, UGC video ads, or clone video ads. So if we click here, we'll literally be able to put in the link to the product that we want to create, which I'm going to show you in just 1 second. Then we could choose the length of it. We could choose the aspect ratio. We could choose actually what ad platform it's going to be for, the language, and we could also come over here and change things. For example, let's say that we wanted to do clone video ads right here. We'll be able to add in the reference ad, the product image, and then describe what we want, and it will go off and automate it. Or if we come under video right here, we could see that we could actually choose between tons of different formats. You want to do a try-on video? You could do that. Problem and solution, you could do that. Before and after, unboxing, they literally have everything right here. In addition to that, if we click an avatar right here, you could see that you could upload an image and turn it into an avatar, or you could actually choose your avatar. So literally just in a few clicks, there's so many different ways that you could build out and customize ads in seconds. So literally from inside of Pollo AI's Marketing Studio, you're like 1 or 2 clicks away from creating a video ad. And just a quick heads up, right now Marketing Studio runs on desktop, so you're going to want to do this from a computer. For example, let's say that we wanted to make a product ad for these viral baseball ice cream shorts right here. We could simply just come over here and grab the URL. We're then going to come back over into Marketing Studio right here. We're going to paste this right here, and we're going to say create a video ad to promote the viral BL101 ice cream shorts. And then we could come over here and specify all this, but I'm simply just going to click on here, and then this is going to go off, and this is actually going to create this for us. And we could see that this is now going through. This is actually getting the metadata using our product link. And now this has actually gone through and given us what the product title is. Yes, I'm actually going to change this a little bit. I'm going to make this BL1 viral ice cream shorts. Product description, we have this right here. Product assets, we could go through here and actually choose these. So these look all great right here. I'm actually going to get rid of a few of these. We're going to confirm and continue here. And now this is actually going to create the ad. Like I was showing you before, even if you don't have a product link, there are all of these other different reference videos that you could actually use right here. So you're never running out of ideas, or you're never at a shortage of what you might want to try or test. And now the last thing that we actually have to do to finalize this video right here is actually change or set our avatar. And what I'm actually going to do is choose this guy right here because I think he fits the demographic the best. So at this point, we've given it the link right here. In addition to that, it went and scraped the website and grabbed all the information that it needed. Then it went through and actually came up with a bunch of different scripts that we could use. I personally went with the second one because I think that it's the best. And then we went through and we actually chose our avatar. And now that video is getting generated. We didn't have to pay a creator. We didn't have to go back and forth with them. We already have tons of ideas that we could choose from, tons of formats we could choose from, tons of AI avatars we could choose from. And now that video is getting created in seconds. And now that our video is done, here's what it looks like.
Last summer, I wore the VL101 viral ice cream shorts to every game, and everyone kept asking where I got them.
Now, before I walk you through the 5 use cases I would strongly suggest you set up first, I wanted to remind you that if you go to the pinned comment below and get started with Pollo AI today, you're going to get 20% off your credits for a limited time. There's no catch. You literally just take any product link that you have, paste it in, and in seconds, you're going to have an ad worthy of running. So use case number 1 is going to be the ability for you to turn any URL into a video ad. For example, if we just come over here and we click on video ads right here, we can now see that we could paste in a URL. I'm going to paste in these Sony headphones right here. So we're going to grab this URL. We're going to paste this over here, and we're going to say we want to highlight the discount in an ad on this product. We're going to keep it 15 seconds of length, 9 by 16. Language is going to be auto. We're simply just going to click on create, and then this is going to ask us a few questions. We're going to answer it, and boom, this is going to go ahead and create our ad literally in seconds. And this is by far your fastest path from a link to a video ad, because you don't have to hire creators, no cameras, no doing anything like that. This does everything. It literally even pulls in the product meta description. And what's actually pretty cool is you could run the same URL multiple different times in order to get multiple different ads in multiple different formats. So you can actually A/B test a bunch of different hooks and different features. And you can now run this as a paid ad on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, anywhere. Now here we go. This actually created this ad, and yes, it actually includes that it has a discount in it exactly like we asked. Here's what it looks like.
Imagine stumbling upon something that changes how you listen. Sony's WHCH520 wireless headphones, now at 38% off.
Now for use case number 2, I wanted to highlight UGC video ads. So if we click on this right here, this allows us to actually upload a photo of our product. For example, I have this image of this Dyson vacuum that I want to create an ad for. So I'm simply just going to upload the image right there. We're going to make this a 15-second ad also, but I'm going to change the aspect ratio here. For language, I'm going to choose English right here. Now we're going to click on create. And now we're just going to choose which script we actually want to use here. I'm actually going to go with number 4 because I think this is really good, especially in my household. And then we're going to go ahead with this AI avatar right here. And now literally in just a few seconds, we're going to go from just a simple product image to an ad that we can now run on something like YouTube. And now just like that, this has actually gone through and created the video. And so now that this video is done, here's what it actually looks like.
Hey algorithm, show this video to anyone who loves a spotless home without the hassle. That's why discovering the Turbo Clean Pro has completely changed how I deal with stubborn messes around the house.
Now the next use case I wanted to show you here is how we could actually clone other video ads. What we could actually do is come over here to reference ad. We could see that we could upload a video if we wanted to, or they literally have tons of different things that we could actually go through and we could view right here, which is pretty cool. We could search by industry, we could search by status, we could search by runtime, we could search by language. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to choose English. I want to do this specifically for TikTok. Now, in terms of industry, we're going to want this to be for fashion. So we're going to come over here and click this. And now we could actually go through all of these different winning ads that are working inside of the fashion niche right here. And then we'll be able to actually reference one of them with our product. For example, I actually like this ad right here the most. So we're going to grab this. We're going to confirm that this is the ad that we want to use. And then with our product image, we're going to come over here and actually put in the product image that we want to use. This automatically filled in this prompt. We're going to click on this. And now this is going to build it for us, because this now literally went through and actually broke down the exact video ad right here with the hook, with everything that we need. And now it literally knows all of this information, filled it out for us. We're going to click on confirm and continue. And then this is actually going to create the ad. And again, this literally broke down exactly how the viral ad works so that it could recreate it with AI. And now we could see that since this is generating, we also have other things that we could do via this process. For example, we could iterate on this. If we have another product we want to turn into a viral ad, we could do that. Or we could also go through and actually change the format if we wanted to. And now just like that, it's gone through, it's created the ad. Here's what it looks like.
Ready to level up your baseball gear? Meet your new go-to shorts. It's all about that wood grain aesthetic, combined with maximum breathability.
Now, the last use case that I wanted to show you here is how we could actually go through these different UGC ads, find one that we like, and we could recreate it. For example, this one is incredibly timely. It's about the World Cup. If we simply just click on try now right here, it literally loads up the format, it loads up the product, it loads up the avatar, it loads up the prompt, everything for us. We could click on generate, and then this goes off and actually creates this. And Pollo AI is awesome because it literally has so many of these that you could go through and you could just swap out your product, or you could swap in something that you want. And this makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to actually see what an ad looks like, what a video is going to look like before you ever generate it. Swap in what you want. For example, maybe we're doing this one and we want to actually use our jacket. We could come over here and change the products, and boom, we could take this video, but use our stuff on it. And so now that this video is done, here's what it actually looks like.
Okay guys, I am so obsessed with this retro brown color palette right now. The texture of this jacket and the fit of these pants are actually insane. Look at this.
Now, as we can see, we have this one going through and actually creating this World Cup ad for us. It's generating it, and that'll show you exactly what it looks like. Okay, so now we can see it. This is done generating this, and we can see exactly what this looks like.
Okay, this is actually the best way to watch the World Cup at home. The screen is huge, the picture looks so clear, and it literally feels like you're right there. We've got snacks, everyone's locked in, and the match just feels way more exciting like this.
So if you take anything away from this video, it's now that you're literally just one click away from turning any link that you have into a video ad. You simply just take the link, you paste it in here, and in seconds, you're gonna have a video ad that's actually worth running. And if you wanna get started with this today, go to the pinned comment below and get started with Pollo AI.